Welcome to Automation Masters. Today it is the 1st of April. Did I call it April Fools? Absolutely not going to be fooling you on this video right here. This is the pre-New York Open, and I'm going to quickly be looking at what the update is on how the markets are trading. The first instrument that we're going to be looking at here at Automation Masters, we're going to be looking at the EuroCAD. Now EuroCAD, as you can see, it has been caught here on this very strict range since the Asian market. It tried to want to break it during the London Open. It didn't. It failed, and then it remained within the range. And what I like is the fact that our very powerful Sumari AutoTrader Robot managed to get that early entry as in when the market was going to be shooting all the way to the top. And what's beautiful as well is the fact that each and every time when the market reached a resistant level of sort, it never closed the trade and started selling. It kept on holding every time we broke levels, even with indecision dodges, but it kept on leaning on this upward trend, and then we traded with the trend. As it is always said in trading, that make that trend your friend. That is what our powerful AutoTrader Robot, Sumari AutoTrader Robot, has been doing over here. So now beautiful trade, paying us very nicely with EuroCAD. You know that EuroCAD really does pay, and we are in the profits right now. We are on a lot of 0.5, and I just wanted to show you the entry more than anything. Now let us quickly look at USD CHF. The market has been moving quite well, and when we started trading, we started executing a sell. Okay, tried to buy over there. The buy didn't materialize, it sold, and then the sell went down. It came back around that area, and then now it has bought. We caught that breakout. The market is trading currently at that level at the top, and the trade is still being held because this powerful Sumari AutoTrader Robot does not just sell just because now the market is kind of retracing. It will hold until it can peak. That now know there is very strong selling momentum, because as I said before, we are trading on the side of market makers. If market makers are just trying to lead us with this trade, then we'll not be led until it is a confirmed sell. Then it will close the buy and go for a sell. So right now we are still holding this buy on USD CHF. You know that the francs pay, so USD CHF does pay very well. So we are in on a trade there pre-New York Open. So right now again, you can see here we had USD CAD running all the way from the previous month on on Friday, and when we also opened coming to today's trading day, we were holding the trades. The market kept on buying and selling and buying and selling, not making significant profits because the market was ranging. But as soon as the market started to push up, we started now catching those buys. We got that smooth buy, making back some of the losses that we might have incurred when the market was still caught on that range. And a couple of buy and sells here on this level where the market was significantly caught. Looking at that area and that area there at the top, it was picking a first, second, third touch, a probable powerful reversal that may have in cat or cut over there. So now when it saw that was not materializing, the market broke, and then we caught the buy. Whew, beautiful buy that we caught over there. And then right now, just a pre-New York Open, we are still holding that buy on the USD CAD. I love USD CAD. I've been trading this instrument for more than 7 years. This is my 8th year, with a good relationship with USD CHF. And as well with EuroCAD and USD CHF, but I just have a special relationship that I have with USD CAD because it always behaves in the market. And quickly looking at another instrument, this is our USD. So yeah, ZAR USD, as you can see, since when we're trading the London session, it kind of moved a bit sideways, and then it sold. We caught the sell. Wants to buy, it sells. Kept on with that relationship. I caught all the correct trades over there, as you can see. But now it sold, bounced from this level. Now it is breaking that level. We are buying already. So if the market is to push bullish, you can tell that we would have caught a super snapper entry over there. And then this is the power of the Sumari AutoTrader Robot, being able to catch those snapper entries as and when they happen. And even if the market can't decide to respect this level, come back, break that low, shoot down, we will be able to catch that as well. So this is a very powerful trading software, or trading robot, if you want to call it that is automated to catch those snapper entries using price action. So price action is king, and this bot, it is the king of all kings in the market. Now let us quickly look at US tech, or Nas100. Oh, beautiful over there. The market did buy, sell. We're catching all those moves, and then the first nice move that we caught is this one that we're in now. With whatever the losses that we may have also incurred earlier on during the London session, we were able to recover from them with this single move over there, and then we made significant profits with the continuation sale as well. So what I like about this bot, as I said, this was a range. We caught in a range for quite a long time, and then with the London open, we never broke the range. But when the market continued to trade during the London session, yes, we were able to break the Asian low, and then the market continued pushing. We've been holding the sell for quite some time, as you can see. Kept just around about that area over there. You can see the broker time at the bottom, and then you see that we've been holding this. The market tried to lift up. This was a retracement. Most traders would have bought over this area, and even over here, a lot of traders would have bought around this area. And when the sell took place, you would have not sold. So we already caught that snapper entry over there. With that retracement, we didn't buy, continue to hold the sell. Now we are trading around this low, and so far the market is showing double touches on this area, but so far we're not closing the sell. We're still holding on the sell. But if it does come to a point whereby the market is changing direction just before the New York Open, as right now we're at the pre-New York Open, so we will be able to close this sell and execute a buy as in when the bot is doing so. So now in this instance, if it continues to break this low and continue selling as well, the bot is going to continue holding that sell. Then now the last instrument that we're looking at over here, it is USA 30 Dow Jones, baby. With this instrument of Dow Jones USA 30, it's a beautiful one. We were able to catch every single move that was taking place during that London market open in the morning, up until we caught a most powerful sell that we're still holding now. We broke that significant low which appeared over there, and let's see, it was a very powerful level. We broke it, we're still holding, and then we'll see if we are going to continue to break this level and continue going down, or the market will retrace or reverse. But the bot, what I like about it is, as long as it picks momentum of a powerful sell move, it is going to continue holding the sell all the way down. This is a very powerful March. It's the first day of the month of April, and we're marching towards the New York Open. So we are currently on the pre-New York Open, but if you're getting into the New York Open and you know that you've secured such great profits, you can literally have all your trades closed and you're done for the day. So but we're just gonna let the bot continue to trade and try to secure a bit more profits. It was that Easter weekend, so we spent quite some money. Now we need to make it back, baby. So over there, if you can see, there was a gap up. So around that gap up, the market normally would come to close the gap and start moving otherwise. So but we'll see how the bot responds to that, as now it's almost at that area of the gap up. So now the gap up has been closed. We'll see how the bot holds that trade. So this is the powerful Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Get your hands on this powerful trading robot so that you are able to also catch this powerful snapper entries and be able to grow your trading portfolio. As we said, that this is US tech, this is ZAW USD. Now, as told you, we are still catching that momentum. It was a super early entry. It is pushing up USD CAD. It is continuing to break that area. We are holding that continuation USD CHF. It is forming a very significant resistance over there. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing what the bot will do. So even when the bot does things like this, I do not tamper with it. I just let it do what it does the most. So now with EuroCAD, we're still continuing to hold that entry, and that's the beautiful power, the prowess of the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Get this bot and innovate your trading game. It's time to trade. Let's go get it.
I got millions and I put my city on top. G.O.D. walking with me, so I'm never gon' flop. Keys to the Lamborghini, got the opposition hating on me. It's okay, I leave them in the dust 6 feet deep. Pocket chicken drown in them. Hit the gym, so you know I'm about to flex on them. Chess game, so I'm coming for the crown on them.